Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of these headphones. I got them at Dollar General and they are Bluetooth earbuds stereo, true wireless stereo earbuds, and they have extreme bass. It says 6 hours of total playtime, and it has 3 recharges per full case. And it has rechargeable true wireless technology, extreme bass sound, up to 6 total playtime. Up to 6 hours total playtime. So let's open, and it's by Billboard, and they were only $15. So let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, they are new. Wow. So here it comes, the instruction. They come with a charging cord, one USB and one is this kind. Then earbuds here. Looks like this, they are white. Here we have some buttons. They look similar to my earbuds from Gentech, but this one doesn't work. Because I lately wanted to use them and only one works. Like, which one? This one works and this doesn't turn on. See, here is light and this one doesn't turn on even when charging fully. So yeah, so the shape is almost the same. Yeah, the same design. Just this is little smaller, slightly shorter. I'm not sure even. And charging case looks like this. So it's similar or the same actually as the Gentech. It has exactly the same design, even the power button. See? And it opens like so. And you can put here. Let's see if it turns on. No. This one that's turn on, see? And this one. No. Hope it will work. No, not turning on. Okay. not turning on, I guess has to be charged. So I will turn off them, put in case and charge with this cable and my charging thingy. Okay, see you later. This is how it looks when it's charging. This light is blinking. And here above, actually way above on. Because this one blinking and this one blinking. But what annoying is in them that when I pair them, they fine but not super good quality, and when you listen to them through them, that blue light is blinking from time to time. Now not, but when you turn them on, they will be blinking. From time to time. So I think it's annoying. As my other ones from Gentech not blink. And Apple ones don't blink too, I think. Just those ones. Other than that, they're not bad. If you're not distracted by the blinking, and if you don't care about super good quality, then you can buy them. If you like better quality, then I think you could go for Apple ones. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Charging case here. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.